Good day, Envergans. My name is Enric Manrique from the College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management, the program of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management specialized in Culinary Arts. So paano ko nga ba nababalance ang aking extracurricular activities kasabay ng aking academics? For me, it's all about time management. Dahil sa umaga, pinaprepare ko ang sarili ko para pumasok sa school. So nag-stop by ako sa UCSC office if I have my free time. And also at night, napunta ako sa training na Wildcats Cheer Squad. So have I achieved something during my stay here at Manuel S. Enverga University Foundation? So I am proud to say that I was able to achieve some of my checklists. Naka-join po ako sa UCSC Council bilang isang liaison committee, and also po is naging president po ako sa NSTP ng aming block, and I have joined also in NSTP Council bilang isang auditor. Na-achieve ko rin po yung isang bagay na aking nilulook forward, which is to join Wildcats Cheer Squad. At nakapag-compete na rin po ako sa labas using MSEUF's name or the Wildcats name in Milo Cheerleading National Competition. Yun lang po. Thank you.